Sure. Right, dashboard. Right, my chat. Here we go. Pop out. Accept the cookies. All right. Hey Jasper, I'm just setting up social stream for both my. Let's just pause this. Let's pause the YouTube one too. Make sure it's not streaming. Yes, it is. Mute that. And doesn't need to be played. Okay, so yay. Okay, so we've got chat coming in from both Twitch and YouTube. It's the sort of two places I go. So got just consolidated chat in my sort of custom overlay here. So I've got lower third going with the title of what's going on, and I'm just at home Sunday morning and getting ready to check out the SvelteKit load changes. So I'm just presuming everyone can hear me okay. I've got the chats set up. So let's just go back over here. Cool. Right. So let's get some stuff going, I guess. Right. Hey Ashi. So I guess what all streamers need to do is say that they've gone live. So let's just get this URL here for YouTube. Not really a fan of Twitch, to be honest. Or YouTube for that matter. There's a circle. Refactoring. Oop. Right. That's that done. So you'll see me looking at the camera, but I'm looking away from the camera because I've got the two screens going on. So a lot of the time, it's just going to be me looking across like this. Right. So, hey Ashi from Sri Lanka. Let's just try get my. I haven't actually got a dashboard set up in OBS, so I'm just going to be doing this manually. There we go. Right. So let's go over to GitHub and we'll check out my PRs. I use, let's bump this font size up as well. So I use Renovate for my CI/CD stuff and updating any dependencies that need updating. So it's on all my SvelteKit projects. So if I go to any outstanding PRs I've got, you'll notice that a lot of them have got this X next to them. So let's just take a look at this one first from This is what I did a while back. How long ago now? Let's just look at this. Well over 15 months ago. So this is when I first started getting into SvelteKit, and I think this was a tutorial I followed on Scott Telinsky's channel. So I haven't looked. I don't even think I've got this downloaded. Sorry, my cat wants to get out. You can probably see him here, sat by the flap. Come on. He does this. He waits till I start talking, and then he'll start flapping on the flap. So let's clone this. Let's get a terminal going. Terminal. There we go. And it's opened up on the other screen. Right, let's pick up the font size there. Clone this. Destination SvelteKit quiz already exists, so let's CD into this. Open up VS Code. And how big do we need the font here? Let's get rid of that dialogue. One bigger maybe. Right, I hope everyone can see that. So I'm going to need to, I'm not sure if you can see this, I've got 22 changes that need to be pulled. Let's do that now. And let's just go back on over to GitHub here and back to this PR. And if I go to inspect here on Vercel, please Vercel for all of my CI/CD stuff, and take a look at the error here. Where is it? Where's the error? JSON config, file system root API has changed. So see this, this discussion here. This is relating to all the changes, and this is just a migration guide. Let's just pop out this bit here so it's a bit more contained here from Rich Harris. So basically we're just going to use npx svelte migrate roots, and then we've got another update for everything else which has changed here. So a lot of things have changed. Actually, let's just before we go into this, let's just open up another tab, and let's just rm just delete this. This is just like just like my playground I use for SvelteKit projects. And if I say npm init svelte, and it's going to create a delete this folder. So we're going to say SvelteKit demo app. We'll just go for the TypeScript options because I'm trying to get better at using TypeScript. So if you go to delete this and open up VS Code here, and of course it's switched over to where I had it open up on a different desktop. So let's go back here again and open it here. Right. So if we take a look at the roots here. So I don't know anyone else that uses, why isn't this moving? Get out of here. Right. So let's just take a quick look at the demo app. So all roots in SvelteKit, in the past you could just say root about.svelte and that would create a root for that page. But now we need to have it inside a folder. So it's like folder-based routing now. So this is like the about page, and any data for that page, I'm presuming is the page.ts here. So this will happen server side. So what we're doing here, well, this is new stuff to me. Client side already loaded. Ooh, okay, cool. So what we're going to need to do is so this is the server side. I'm guessing this is the API, and then this is the page. I'm getting loads of link warnings here because I've not actually installed anything. So it's like this new plus notation now you have for within your folders. And of course, the index page is now just plus page, but it's at the index of roots. So it's just automatically goes into root. And enough of that quick demo. Let's just take a look at this Svelte quiz now. So let's go back to VS Code. And let's just run this. So it's still running on localhost 3000. So this hasn't been updated in a while because there is now invite config file. How is this even running? It's not on the default invite port. Let's just see what happens if I say open tab. Where's this opened? Here. Right, so this appears to be working still. Cool. But not until I npm check updates. But you can do this at npm, but so we've got the adapter and Vite has been updated here. I'm just going to hit enter for both of them and then say npm install and then try and run this again. I'm presuming this should break now because, yeah. So it uses sync. Does it use sync? Go back over to the project, to the Svelte config file here. Package JSON file. This uses Vite. There's no sync on here, so that was a post. Yeah, okay. Okay. So let's just go back to the migration guide here, and let's just copy this, put it into the terminal here, and copy pasta, and then we'll see what happens here. So let's just move this over to the side, bring my terminal in here, and all we should be looking at really, why isn't this moving? This is why does it go? Is the changes we're going to have happen in here. So I've got a roots folder, not in here, sorry. And this is just going to change to plus index, I presume. Let's just hit go here on this and say yes to continue. Oop. Right, so this changed to page.svelte now. Git commit. Right, we'll come on to this. Let's just check out what so nothing much has changed with that migrate apart from the page name here. All right, let's close that. Close that. Stop the terminal. Right, let's try run npm run dev again now. Oh, see what happens. Vite not found. Okay, let's try installing. So these are all being reused. Don't know why it's taking. Well, I know why it's taking so long because it's trying to download over the network while I'm streaming. Let's just see how this is gone. Right, let's try npm run dev again, and it's on the default now. If I get rid of that and try this, huzzah, it works. Right. So that was a quick one. So this is pretty simple project. Let's just go back over to how we were doing this. So we're using a store. Man, it's been so long since I looked at this project. All right, cool. So have we got a load? We're not using a load. We're using an async function to get the quiz data from the Open TV database, I guess. That's what that stands for. All right, and then just doing it in get quiz here. Oh, just using a. Where's the score coming from? Sweet. All right, so that was that one done quite quickly. let's check out another one. But first, before I do that, I just want to check out my stream isn't dying here. Let's see what the quality is like. All right, it looks fine. Sweet. Right, let's go back. Get rid of that and that. Let's go back over to my terminal. Kill that. And actually, let's get the nice refactoring message we need to put in here. Git commit svelte migrate renamed files. Boop. Let's just get that straight in there. And then I haven't got to have VS Code open. Did I copy that? Again. Whoop. And paste it in there. Oh, I'm going to need to actually stage these anyway. Oh, that's already staged. Let's put in these as well. Bingo bango. And sync those changes up. And let's go back to this PR. This should be automatically closed now because I've just updated both. Let's check out the deployment overview on Vercel. This is building. Check out the build deployment status. Okay, so still got this warning. JSConfig JSON. Do I have a JSConfig JSON file? Oh, here. I'm just going to leave that for now. But looks like it's built, no problem. So let's check it out. Cool. Here we go. All right. I can't manage to guess these correctly. Oh, there we go. Got the wrong one. Sweet. So if you go back over to the Svelte quiz now, you can see it hasn't been failing for a while. Just the last couple of changes for adaptive Vercel and Vite. Cool. So let's go back over to here. These should be auto closed now. There we go. Right. Go back over to my PRs. 114. And that is 2 down, 112 to go. So I don't want to check out the starter blog I've got here because I know this uses MD specs, and I'm not sure if there's been any issues with that. I haven't checked it out. So this is like the first time. Come here. Come here. This monkey keeps on making that noise in the background. So where was I going with this? Oh yeah, this is the first time I've checked out the load API. I've been saving it since I got back from holiday to check out and just make a bit of content out of on stream. So let's go through the rest of what we've got in here. Local fonts, don't need that. I did this last night just to validate for validate for myself that I knew how to do local fonts with Tailwind. I'm just going to merge this because this is just pinning dependencies. So that can go away now. Theme switch example. There shouldn't be much of an update really from the previous example with that Svelte quiz. Let's just go into my terminal and let's just do this. What's it called? Theme switch. Right. And let's just pull. So sorry, PP. I have everything sort of aliased in my terminal because I don't like typing, which is really weird for a developer, I guess. So I'm just lazy. So rather than type all of that out, I'm just going to do PP. So let's open up the project. Let's just check, see if I've got anything else open. I don't. Right. So if you're in the chat, I'm not sure how many people are watching. Let's just go check out my YouTube channel. And I keep on getting this. I use WSL and it's super annoying. And I think it's just from me installing Playwright maybe. And it always prompts for permissions now. And I just escape out of it. Right, where was I going? So, YouTube. 3 watching, including me, so that's 2 people. Thank you. Twitch, 4 watching. God, I don't even know how to Twitch. Oh, 1 viewer, that's me. So I've got 2 people watching. Thank you. Right, let's go back over to this SvelteKit theme switch. So I've updated this recently. I've added in the Vite config here, my Tailwind config, and it uses Daisy UI and the typography plugin. So let's just install these dependencies. Oh, not even, what? 16.9 or higher. Oh god, I've got to do some NVM stuff now. NVM use? Jesus. This is why I use this, because I can never remember how to do anything with it. So NVM use, NVM install. Well, let's just try NVM install 16. And I'm hoping it's going to take me to the latest version. 16.17. Why is this saying 16.9? I've got 14.9. Have I got any? I've got a config? No. Well, node version is incompatible with SvelteKit next. NVM. Right, there's a default, isn't there? Default node version. Right. Jesus. I thought this was done. Like 16? $16.9. Sorry, 19.2. Let's open up another terminal. Close that one. And right. Log files. Right. The old delete all the things and then try again. Try that. Right, fine. So waiting for this to install again. Do apologize. Where's the chat gone? That's not working. Let's try this. That's muted. Pop this out. Did I have the chat popped out? I think I did. Okay, cool. So chat's working. So bye followers, primes of videos. Okay, cool. Let's just put this back up here. Yes, how do I remove this from the space? Boop, boop, boop. Right. Right, so that's installed. Let's go back to my terminal and try to run pnpm run dev. Vite not found. Really? I did install, didn't I? Yeah, that's fine. Let's grab some water while I wait for this. All right, so saying Vite's not found, so let's just crack open the package.json file. I'm using Vite. I've got Vite config here. Why not failed? Just going to try and run this. Where's that migrate command? MPX. Oh, okay. Oh, let's try and run that. Say yes, and install again for the third time. Right. Yay. Go. All right, and that's done. And again, let's just check out the changes here. I've got a layout in here that's been changed, and the page.svelte. And let's go back over to the Explorer, into the Source tab. I've got roots, and these are just root level changes. Cool. So let's go to my Git panel and stage that as well. And let's put in the git commit command. And push it up. Cool. And let's go back to my repos. Clear that. Don't need this open anymore. Close that. And that's done. Let's go back to this. Wrong way around, Scott. So pull requests here. Did these get updated? Let's go to Vercel. And let's go to the theme switch and the deployments, and it's ready. Cool. What I'm also going to do, I guess, while I'm here, is update these dependencies as well. Go back on here to my list of pull requests, which is these. Where do we get down to? This theme switch example. So boop, let's go in here, close that. Right, so I thought I was done, but I'm not. So let's just update these dependencies. So npm check updates with interactive mode enabled. Wait for this to do its thing. Hey Roberto, let's get you up on the screen here. Whoop. How you doing? Yashi. Yeah, I think the NVM install thing, I'm guessing it was just because I had like because those files have been on there for a while, so I just blew away the node modules folder, and seemed to work after that. Let's update these dependencies here, and then install again. I don't think the node check updates does the installation for you. I haven't updated the package. I think the newer package does it for you. This one doesn't. So one last try of pnpm run dev. That seems to be working. Let's just check it out again. Seems fine. Cool. Right. So that's that done. Let's go. I like using the VS Code GUI now. I never used to. But let's just go back in here, use conventional commits, and go away. This is refactor. No, it's not a refactor. It is a chore. Let's just do upgrade dependencies. Let's commit that and sync those up. Now that's done. Done. Let's go back on over. Let's just keep my cheat sheets open just in case there's something I need on there again. So theme switch example, pull requests here. Let's go over to Vercel, and there should be another build running for theme switch. Deployments. It took 19 seconds to do. That seems fine. Cool. Right. Another really simple one that was, but these pull requests should go away. None. We're up to date with this now. Cool. Close that. Keep the migration guide opens. Might as well keep Vercel open too. So 111 down to 108. Right. So MD-Spec start blog. No. What's this one? Jamp. That's another really simple one. Let's just try. I'm not going to update my blog right now. Nor Venture Commerce. Try it with cheat sheets. Let's check this one out. So this has got quite a bit going on. It's just and let's open this. I'm going to create another branch for this just because I can't YOLO change this one because it's a lot of people use this. Okay. So where are we going? Where are we going with this now? Well, my mind's just gone blank. Oh, I need to make a branch. So let's open up my panel here and create a branch. Right, and just run that migrate the roots. So I guess what I should have done is just given a quick overview of this site. Oh, actually, this uses AND-Specs as well, so this could be a good test. So in the roots here, I haven't got a great deal going on. We've got the I'll try this, like hack this together to put in some author information when they contribute to the site. And we've got a slug for each one of the pages. So this could be an interesting one to do actually. Let's get this done. And also this sitemap. Does this use a GET request actually? Oops. Change over to this. Ooh. Ooh. I haven't updated my roots here either. Right, let's try this. Let's say yes. Right, let's go to the git diff and see what's changed. So, okay, cool. So the author.json's been put into its own folder now. That makes sense. Same with the slug. This has got a server.js file. So I'm guessing that this is going to need to have, let's go back to the Explorer. Where's it gone? Here it is. God, what was I just looking at? Server. This needs to be get. Page. We would take it. Oh, the error. There was an error in migration guide. We've done. Load. That's just the types, right? Okay. So for the load function here, the return. Why is this really badly formatted? There we go. Oof. Right, let's just YOLO try to install these dependencies here. Oh, it's done it again. Right, so RMRF, let's just get rid of all this. install these dependencies. And while we're waiting for this to install, with the uncomfortable silence that's going on, just going to have some more water. All right, let's try this. Maybe it's on the right screen. All right, what was the error? All right, go away. It's a warning. So let's try this again. Beautiful. Right, okay, so quite a bit here. Cheat sheets, root pages, head is not defined. It should be. Source roots page.js. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, nice. So it's updated it for me for the page. That can't be right. Let's go back to what that was. Oh, I've got to check out the git diff on this. This is page on roots, which is it? What? Page, source roots plus page, JS. This one, right? Oh. Yeah. I don't think this is going to be a good one for the stream for me to try and work out. I'm going to have to go back to what it looks like on GitHub here. Right. Cheat sheets. Right, where is it? Source. Oh, roots. And I'm guessing that is going to be. Right, what am I doing here? So, yeah, so the migration guy says that the context module has been moved out into its own page.js file. So I want to get the markdown information from my sheets directory here, and I want to return the post as props and the metadata. In here, this is just saying sheets. Await get sheets. And where is get sheets coming from? Lib get sheets. Here. Lib get sheets. Globeager. Oh, shouldn't be using Globeager. I'm going to get told off for so get sheets. This should be fine. But what am I doing in here? I'm using. Oh, this should be on the page. All of this stuff should be on the page. Right. Let's cut that and put this in here. So we're going to throw a new error. Yep. I don't need, all that's been commented out. I guess I need to get rid of that. And let's just get rid of this. Put this in here. Does this make this happy? I think it does. Right. So I'm guessing I can just save this. Right, so that's the page. Page.svelte is done. Check out the layout file here. This looks fine. And the error page. Yeah, we don't use the context module anymore. I think we can just get this straight from, where's it gone? Migration guide, errors, just get this. So I guess I'm going to need to do that in here. And it's not being passed in as a prop. But the status, that's error.status? Yeah. Can I just do, where's this? Can I get error status from here? Nope. What's this? So this is where using TypeScript comes in handy. I'm not sure if that's a thing. We shall see. Let's get rid of all this. Right. Be reloaded. Go back on over to localhost. Try refreshing this. Oh, status has already been declared. Okay, cool. See that? Nope. Right, where was that? Let's just go back to where we were with this. Where's the status come from? Comes into the load function. So do I need to error load? Get the status. Anyone in the chat have any ideas on this? Right. Nope. Status. Page status. All right. Place. Error load. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Right. Let's try that. So, diddly diddly do. Redo all those changes. Apart from those. And where's this come from? Stores. Try that. Seems to be happy. And over here, let's try refreshing this. Error has already been declared. Okay, so I'm guessing this is somewhere else, maybe. Show index, default route. So, don't need markdown. Error. Oh, maybe it's in here. Don't think so. So that's what. Import error from SvelteKit. Load. This should be fine, right? It's a migration guide. Where was I looking at? Here. Status. Instead of return status error, throw error constructed with the error helper from throw error. Eh. Maybe this. Add data prop. What's this? So this is just table of contents and seems fine. It's index page.js. Index. What's this? Load sheets. Get sheets. This looks fine. Right, I'm thinking I'm gonna have to come back to this one and just try and crack on with other stuff. I don't like leaving it like this. So let's just try let's just make sure that everything looks as it should. So this is returning, yeah, post metadata. That looks fine. So what am I looking at here? This page should have a prop for page. Ooh. No. Post here. Yeah, so they're coming in fine. Meh. That looks good to me. Sitemap. Let's change that to get. Error.svelte. Looks fine. The layout page. This is quite simple, so there must be something I'm missing here. Sheets is not iterable. Right, let's get rid of that. Sheets, get sheets. So this is returning posts. Where was that going into? Yeah. No, sorry, here. Get sheets. So should I just whack this into an array? I can't. Maybe like that. Me. Right, I'm going to call it on that one for now. Right, unfortunately. So, cheat sheets is a bust at the moment. Short URLs could be a good one as well because this uses redirects and TypeScript, so I'll get a bit of linting on that, I guess. Right, let's try that one. But first, I've got stuff to do at home, so let's just see how long I've been going for. 45 minutes. All right, so I think I'm just going to take a quick look at the short URLs and then call it for this stream. I'm not sure if I've already got this cloned. Let's go back to my repos and clone this. Yep. What's it called? Short URLs. Try that. Okay, so we're on main again with this. Let's just close down where I was with cheat sheets. Let's go to Git and put this into Refactor. Work in progress. And we'll just push this up. Up we go. Oh. Sorry, what just happened now? I know it's asking me to do my commit message, but I thought I just committed this. These are all staged. Oh, I think I had unstaged changes. So let's just do that again. Right, go. Off you go. Right, publish this branch, so I can come back to that later. Cool. Right, let's close this. Let's try it with the short URLs now. Let's open up. Let's just do a pull. Right. I'm just going to just do that as default now, and then pm install this. Right, so that's a bust for now. We'll come back to that. I'll check out the SvelteKit short URLs project. So this has got some interesting bits in it. It's just redirecting. So this was recently updated. Oh wow, aspect ratio on that looks a bit sus. Anyway, it's got 4 PRs on this one. Let's open up VS Code. And we'll take a quick look at this, and I'm going to call it after that for the stream. So let's go to the roots here. So I've just got one and this slug. So this should all change to the sort of plus notation we got going on. Let's move this over here. npx migrate roots. And we'll say yes. Cool. I'm going to go straight over to this and just unstage everything so I can stage it all in one go. Right. Let's take a look. So, oh, I don't have an env file. Right, so let's just do bc link. Yes. And we're going to link to it. So that should give me my .env file now, which is, nope, I need to Vercel env pull. Cool, so now I've got my env file. Should be able to npm run dev now. Okay. Not relative path for source lib components. Brilliant. Okay, so source lib env.vars. Oh, this is a good candidate actually for the new environment variables as well for Svelte, or was it SvelteKit? Maybe that's another video because this still uses env.cmd. That's fine for now. What was the error message? Resolve alias. What have I got going on in my config? See this? Alias, nothing for alias. Need to migrate load function, but that's just for the load function. Okay, so where are we with that? So I've got an empty page. Okay, that seems fine. Links. So I'm thinking I'll redirect from here. Surely there should be something in page. Probably just a hacky way I put this together. So I've got my get, bringing in my Airtable config there, and redirecting. Was it error? Right, so have I got a load anywhere? No. So let's say about cache control. I saw that in there. In here, redirects, cache. We're going to set headers instead of doing it in here. So where's my cache control headers? Oh, I'm doing this in the fetch. That seems fine, right? If you need to migrate load function input, so this is, yeah, this is what I want to do. If you hit the home page here, oh hey Space Ghost, thanks for stopping by. You only need to set headers in the load function or endpoints. Did I have a load function in an endpoint? Set headers in, oh right, okay, so you only need to set it in. Right, I want to get rid of this. And that should be fine still, right? Right, that's fine, because anyone hits the home page for this, it's just going to redirect, and any of the other links which are in here, that it's going to redirect from them. So the server here, what you're saying, you need to set headers in a load function, not endpoints. Set headers in load function. So the load is, where's the load being migrated to? Server. So it's page server, and then this server. Is that right? That's the types. Stuff, props is fine. Return values changed. This is in redirects. I know. Right. I think it's time to call it for these. I'm going to come back and go over what I've done incorrectly here. But that's it for this one. I'm going to call it. Thanks. Bye.